So first one, so quantitative analysis. So first one, estimation of carbon and hydrogen. Estimation of carbon and hydrogen. The calculation part, so mass of organic compound taken is equal to W gram, and mass of carbon dioxide formed is equal to X gram, and mass of water formed is equal to Y gram, and percentage of carbon 44 gram of carbon dioxide contains 12 gram of carbon, and percentage of carbon is equal to, so 12 into mass of CO2 into 100 divided by 44 into mass of organic compound. Next, percentage of hydrogen, 18 gram of water contains 2 gram of hydrogen. Therefore, percentage of hydrogen is equal to 2 into, so mass of water into 100 divided by 18 into mass of organic compound. Estimation of nitrogen by K. Chaldal's method. K. Chaldal's method. So here mass of the organic compound taken is equal to W gram. Let V centimeter cube of M molar HCl is used for the neutralization of ammonia. Next, V centimeter cube of M molar V centimeter cube of molar HCl equal to V centimeter cube of M molar ammonia. So 1000 centimeter cube of 1M NH3 contains 17 gram of ammonia. Ammonia or 14 gram nitrogen. So finally, mass of nitrogen present in P centimeter cube M molar NH3 equal to 14 into V into M divided by 1000 into 1. So this is recorded as X gram. Therefore, percentage of nitrogen equal to X divided by W into 100. Next, estimation of nitrogen by estimation of nitrogen by Turmer's method. Calculations. The mass of organic compound is equal to W gram volume of nitrogen at STP is equal to E1V1 into 273 divided by 760 into T1. So now P1 is equal to atmospheric pressure So aqueous tension. So next one. So next percentage of 2 22400 ml nitrogen at STP. So weight 28 gram. So percentage of nitrogen is equal to 2 to W. That the mass of organic compound taken W gram, mass of AgX formed is equal to m gram mass of X into N into 1000 divided by molecular mass of AgX into W. This method name we call as Carrier's method. Carrier's. Next estimation. Okay, next line. Estimation of sulfur. The mass of organic compound taken is equal to W gram. So mass of barium sulfate formed is equal to m gram. 1 mole of barium sulfate is equal to 233 gram. So this is gram of barium sulfate equal to 32 gram of sulfur. So percentage of sulfur is equal to 32 into mass of barium sulfate into 100 divided by so 233 into mass of substance taken into 100.